I do have a question that came in from Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. Is the application process longer for someone with a chronic illness?
You know what, it can be. So as we mentioned earlier, part of the process is going through the health screen, the medical piece. They're going to want to look at it a little bit longer, and it's not really a matter of, are they looking at it longer to drag it out and deny it? No. What they're looking at is they're looking to properly place the risk. Any insurance company, whether it's life insurance and auto insurance, a home, they're looking to properly assess the risk. By definition, an insurance company will try to collect enough premium to pay out the claims that are made, right? That's the intention. So everything gets rated on that level. So yes, it can take longer.
So if it does take longer, really quick, this is my own question. If it does take longer, and you start the process,
right,
and you pass away while you're doing this whole process, but
right,
you haven't completed it,
right,
are you out of luck?
No. So here's the way that works.
Okay.
Great question. So
thanks.
Once so once you go through the process, you sign an application and you exchange money. Once you do that, there becomes a contract, right? Once you have a contract in place, it could pay out, it could not pay out. It would still go through the underwriting process based on standard practice, right? The practices for insurance companies will go through the state's Department of Insurance, so they can't deviate from the process, right? So point being is that had you been alive and gone through the process and they would have approved you at the end, regardless of the level, they will pay out the claim. Okay?
Perfect.
If they would have denied you, they will not pay out the claim. Obviously that poses the, well, they were going to deny it anyway, he's already dead kind of a thing.
Yeah, it's not that way.
It's not that way. It's not that way. There, believe it or not, there is a lot of morality that goes along with this process. So yes, fantastic
That's
question.
good
but
to
yes,
know.
it's good to know because, right, we use the analogy frequently, right? You walk out our front door and you get hit by a bus, there's still a potential of your family being paid out.
Yep.
A good potential because, again, most life insurance policies are approved, but again, like we talked about earlier, there's multiple different levels, right? And so you make the determination based on that at the time. Good question.